Presenting the 2005 Cadillac Quartz 3.6L. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are telematics, fog lamps, intermittent wipers, driver vanity mirror, power windows, automatic headlights, and passenger illuminated visor mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.